Today we're gonna have a preview tour of this house and lot for sale in San Jose Village 1 in Binyan, Laguna. If you're not yet familiar, this property is beside Cavite Laguna Expressway and katabi lang niya po si Don Bosco Binyan and just 3 minutes away is De La Salle Integrated. So napakaganda ng location ng property na to. Not to mention, it's just 8 minutes away from New Valley. So tara, ikutin na natin. So beginning with our carport, yung carport po natin kasya ang isang full-size SUV and van. And if you go a little bit further, nandyan po ang ating maid's room, service area, and ang toilet ng ating maids. Now on the other side of this property would be yung ating lanay area wherein you can put your landscape garden para pwede nyo siyang pagandahin. Now, as we enter the house, you'll be greeted by your solid wood door. And pagkapasok natin, kitang-kita natin kaagad yung uniqueness ng property na to. As you can see, yung colors natin, yung ginamit na color combination is very beautiful, very warm. It makes you feel very happy as you enter the property. You have your dining area here, you have your living area here. You also have this spacious kitchen wherein you can do your cooking. If you like vlogging, gusto mo mag-video, pwedeng-pwede ka dito. Ngayon, ito naman, this is your shower, your toilet and shower room. So tara, akyat tayo sa second floor. Welcome to the second floor. Here we have 2 bedrooms. This one, you have a very spacious bedroom. Pwede natin gawin siyang 2 bedrooms if you'd like, or you can have an office or another bedroom. Let's go to the master's bedroom. For the master's bedroom, it's very spacious. You can fit your king-size bed and another bed. And kung gusto mo, pwede kang maglagay ng sarili mong small living area here inside. Now, dito rin, you have an access to the common toilet and bath. You have a personal door going here. You have your shower, toilet, and also your sink. If you would like to see more of this house and the other parts of this house, you can go on our YouTube channel. Nandun po yung ating full tour.